MedAire is the aviation industry's partner to keep their crew and passengers safe while traveling around the world. When COVID hit, it obviously changed travel forever. We went from about 900 calls a day down to less than one an hour. MedAire saw it as our job to prepare ourselves for the future of the travel industry. One of the biggest concerns the airlines had, and passengers had bluntly, is it going to be safe getting on an airplane with all these people?
Fit to fly is the pre-flight assessment of a passenger who presents with a possible medical condition, something that the gate agent cannot evaluate. What it did was exactly to enhance this assessment by using advanced tools that could incorporate medical algorithms to better understand the situation and to expedite the recommendation. Thanks to ServiceNow, actually, we were able to build algorithms in around 5 weeks, which is actually, incredible.
What ServiceNow did is just helped us notch it up. We used to do a lot of manual stuff, ask a lot of questions about, well, when are you departing? Is the flight delayed? Is it on time? Now we do that in seconds. We get all that information rather than having to spend time with the gate agent telling us stuff we could already know on our own.
When there is an in-flight emergency, the crew member will contact us and we'll answer the call and engage as quickly as possible, practicing emergency physician who will assess the situation so that we can make a recommendation on what to do so that the flight can continue on. Time is absolutely of the essence, medically and operationally. ServiceNow definitely streamlined the way that we are dealing with the cases, making it much more faster and efficient. It really facilitates the way the doctor understands and delivers his or her recommendations.
ServiceNow, while helping us be more efficient on our gate screen and in-flight services, it's provided a foundation that we can do other things with in the future. I don't think travel will ever be the same. I think COVID has changed it for all of us forever. I'm confident that what MedAire's done with ServiceNow has helped take us to a platform that can deal with the new reality for a long time to keep everybody safe while traveling around the world.